So let's try it. Oh, wow. What is up, guys? I am Jegster, and today we are going to be taste testing two new Kit Kat bars, or the fruity cereal kind, which reminds me of Fruit Loops. This one is the Kit Kat Duos Mocha and Chocolate. Now let's get right into the video because I'm tired of waiting. I'm ready to try these bad boys out. Alright, so I think the first one that we're going to try is going to be the fruity cereal because I really think I'm going to like the Mocha and Chocolate, and I really want to save that one for when I don't know, like after, just in case this one isn't good, you know, then I can wash it down with that, and hopefully that will be good. Now, if that one sucks too, well, that'll overall suck. So here we go. This is what it looks like, kind of. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's basically a normal Kit Kat, except for it looks like it's just got the fruity cereal stuff. Now it's got little speckles in it, you know. So yeah, let's just try it out. Definitely has a creamy texture. Kind of reminds you of cereal. Not bad, I will tell you that. It just gives me that vibe, you know, like even Pop-Tarts. When you get something that you think would be so good, like Oreo or birthday cake, you realize that it's overwhelming enough to where you only want to eat one.
That's enough!
As I'm getting older, a lot less sweeter things I enjoy, which is weird to say. Overall, I would say that I would give this probably a 4 out of 10. Just because I wouldn't regularly choose it. Alright, now let's go try the Mocha and Chocolate one. Now this one I am excited about. I mean, like, I like chocolate a lot, actually. It's part of
Chocolate!
Then also the Mocha. I'm big on coffee. I'm big on Mocha. The whole flavoring of Mocha. You know, a lot of people don't like it, but I like it. Now that looks dope. Look at that. Check that out. Yeah. I'm going to try it out. I think I'm going to enjoy this one a lot more. Okay, inside, wafer. With the back chocolate, and then you have the speckles, which would be the Mocha flavoring, right? So let's try it. Wow. You are not necessarily going to be tasting coffee in this. Literally, Mocha is what you taste, and it's a little different. It's pretty strong, very stout. I actually don't like this as much as I thought I was going to like it, so I'm going to say 6 out of 10, because I wouldn't regularly choose this as well. There's Kit Kat right here, right into the bar. It's pretty dope, right? But I wouldn't choose to eat this a lot. I got another half. I'm going to save that for later. I don't think I'm going to buy these again, but they are cool to try. You should definitely try them out. If you've had either one of these flavors at any point in your life, you should go down in the comments and let me know.
Leave a comment down below.
Did you enjoy them? Did you not like them? Overall, I did enjoy it as the experience, but I wouldn't choose it regularly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm Jegster. Follow me on Instagram. Check me out here. And I'll see you in the next video.